Hi, this is Megan Myers with the marketing team here at JADAK. Thank you for joining me for a quick 5-minute tour of our new website. Let's dive in. JADAK is a Tier 1 supplier of detection and analysis solutions for both the medical and advanced industrial markets. Today, we have engineering capabilities in RFID, machine vision, barcode, and light and color measurement. What really sets JADAK apart is our unique approach to engineering. So we work directly with your team to get a really deep understanding of your challenges, and then we create an application solution that is a precise fit for you. So to dig into that, what you would do is click here on Customized Engineering. Now, one quick note before we go there. If you've worked with JADAK in the past, you may be familiar with our other branded websites. Those included isgcameras.com, thingmagic.com, and photoresearch.com. We've retired those sites, and all of the great information that was there is now here at jadaktech.com. So let's continue. So what does it mean to really partner with JADAK and to work with us? What can we bring to the table, and how can we help you? The story is here about how we specifically meet your challenges. And you'll learn a little bit more about the process that we follow to do that. So we'll cover everything from custom design and development to lifecycle management, and you can click on any one of these items to learn more. But the true driving force behind JADAK is our knowledge and our people. So as you scroll down, you'll have an opportunity to learn a little bit more about the people that you'd work with here at JADAK. And then finally, we like to talk a little bit about the specific capabilities we have within each technology. So as you click through, you can click to learn more about each one of those capabilities. So after you've had a moment to go through the customized engineering section of the site and you've learned about potentially the value add that our engineers can bring to your development process, head over to applications. Applications is a great place to start your journey on our website. This is where we take you top down through our experience within each one of the verticals that you see here. So medical, advanced industrial, and other. So as you click in, you'll see each one of the specific applications and where we play and can provide value. And as you click further in, so I'm going to go into in vitro diagnostics, you can start to see a little bit about the industry, about the application, the challenges that we understand you're having, the opportunities, where technology is taking us and where it's going. And then you can click specifically into the applications. So for this example, I want to learn more about analytical and pre-analytical lab phase testing. So as I scroll down, you can see we start now getting into specifics around our software, what we offer, the ways that we can help reduce cost and improve accuracy, so the benefits of partnering with us and our solutions that we provide. And then you start going even deeper. So then you start going into the products that we've developed for the specific application, more about the capabilities around the application. And then finally, as you scroll down, you're going to start to see some of those educational or helpful resources. So as you're continuing your research journey, learning about the opportunities, here you'll see webinars, white papers, you'll see videos, how-tos, tutorials, all sorts of things. We've cherry-picked the ones that are specific to these applications. You can find all of these in the resource section, but this is a great place where you're funneling down, you're getting more specific, and everything is right in one place for you as you're doing your research. Our next step is the product catalog. So if I click here on the drop-down, I can see an overview of all of our products, or if I know the technology that I'm looking for, I can click specifically into that. So for this, I'm going to go ahead to the ThingMagic RFID section of the catalog. You'll notice that all of the products are listed here on one page for easy access, but we've also added some filtering here to the left-hand side. So rather than clicking in and out of different pages throughout your research process, you can come here and filter down as a starting point. So let's say that I'm looking for a reader, RFID reader, and let's say that I am looking for a UHF RAIN-enabled reader. And then let's say that I need something that's fixed mount. So you'll see that the results over here were narrowing, and now I'm down to 3 products that meet these criteria. So now I can just go into these 3 items and do my research. So I'm going to start here with ThingMagic Alara and click in. So when you get to the page, the first thing you'll probably notice is we have new photography for our products. So it makes it a little bit easier for you to view the baseline product that you'll be working with prior to customizing it with our engineering team. We also know that as an engineer, the spec sheet is something that you need to have readily available. So we added a button right here at the top that anchor links to the bottom where you can access spec sheets, user manuals and guides, software applications and downloads, and regulatory certs. So it's all right here on the page. These are all the most updated versions of the documentation for this particular product. If you need past versions, you can find everything right up here in the document library. So as you scroll through, you'll see an overview of the product, features and benefits, where you could potentially use this, the applications, again, the documents, and then we have the helpful resources at the bottom here. So similar to applications, we have some examples of where these solutions are being used, how to potentially implement them, how to use them, and then you can click into resources up here to learn even more. So finally, we're headed into the resources and support sections of the site. As I click into resources, the first thing I'll see is a link to the document library. You'll find this here, but you'll also find this up here at the top of the site so that it's ever present no matter where you are on the site and you can always access it. So as I click in here, you'll see that this is very similar to the product catalog where I can click in starting with a technology, and then as I scroll down, I have the option to filter down to find exactly what I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for a specific product name, I can click that here, and then I can further filter by what type of document I'm looking for, or the specific software that I'm looking for. And then you'll see as I did that, it looks like we have one result, and I can click here to view the associated documents or to download the software. Under resources, you'll also see webinars, case studies, and white papers. This is the library for all of that helpful resource content that you saw on the product pages and in applications. So you can click in here, view everything, and again, similar filtering where you can filter by technology, and then the type of content that you're looking for, whether it's a video or a white paper. And then finally, events. So if you're wondering if we'll be at HIMSS or AACC, you can click in here and look at what booth number we'll be occupying. Next, you'll probably head to support. So here you can find where we're located and phone numbers, contact information for tech support. You can also see that we have two new forms here on the site for return authorization. So whether a photo research customer or a JADAK customer, you can come in here and fill out one of these forms. And it'll take you through the process where we'll gather all the information from you up front, and then you'll receive a call or an email from one of our specialists following up to close the loop on that process. You'll see ISO certs, terms and conditions, and then finally partners. So if you're looking for a partner, one of JADAK's partners, or you're looking to become a partner, you can click here. And you can either see a list of our partners in region and then view their websites, or you can click and you will find a form where you can become a partner. And finally, about us. So if you want to keep a finger on the pulse of what's going on with JADAK, you want to know more about us, we are ever changing, ever growing, and evolving. And as we do that, we'll keep this page updated. So you can always visit here to learn more about us. You can download our brochure here. And then, of course, you can always contact us using this button or just pick up the phone. Look for more sites to come. Currently, we have the US English version of the site, but we will have more versions here. So come back and visit us in the near future this year to check those out. And thank you for coming through this tour with me, and we look forward to working with you in the future.